am Tulisa Martins. I'm a food scientist who loves to cook for her family and also share my recipes with you. So for those that are rejoining my channel, welcome back everybody. And those that are joining for the first time, welcome to this beautiful cooking channel. So really hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos and also my recipes, and also hit the notification button if you really want to be notified whenever I post something new, okay, and the like. Okay, so let's get cooking. And this, before we cook, this is what it looks like. All the ingredient measurements are down below in the description box, okay? So you start off by chopping your onion. As you can see, I'm cutting it in half, leaving the end part intact so that it's easier to chop and it's quicker. I don't have time to spend too much time in the kitchen actually. So this is how I chop my onion. As you can see, you cut it on the one side and then you slice it as if you're going to slice it in half again, but not all the way through, and then you start chopping. As easy as that. So you start off by heating your olive oil, as you can see.
Okay.
And then you add your onion to saute until it is succulent and starts to brown. And then you will add your garlic, which adds a beautiful flavor. I love garlic when it's not used too much. And then you'll start browning your Amathambo, which is your lamb. It's lamb bones, but as you can see, they really have meat on them. So this is an affordable way of actually making your lamb. Okay, then once that is browned, you will add your vini, which is red wine, no? Okay, and then I love this gravy powder. It's a powdered form, so you add some water to that. It's important when you weigh water, you weigh at eye level to ensure that you know your recipe works. And then you'll add that onto your lamb and you cook it, slow cook it for about an hour and a half until it falls off the bone. And it really is delicious when it's done. So you can cover it and you know, keep on stirring. As you can see, you know, it starts getting brown and the sauce has thickened because of that gravy powder. And it's as easy as that. Few ingredients. I love lamb, but lamb can be expensive sometimes, but this is how I make it. Okay, and that's what it looks like. I love it. Thank you.